Natural gas spewing from a broken line for hours, and crews have been working all day trying to contain it. This is happening on State Road 31 off Palm Beach Boulevard in Fort Myers Shores, and it may be affecting your commute.
State Road 31 is closed from Palm Beach Boulevard to Bayshore Road. This started when work crews doing soil samples for FDOT hit an 8-inch line. Wink News anchor Emma Heaton joins us now live. Emma, how long is it going to take to make this repair?
Yeah, Florida Highway Patrol said it could take up to 3 days to cap this gas leak. And while crews are working to stop it, they say safety is paramount. And with the current setup that they have here, including the road closure, they say that your safety is okay right now. Like, they're protecting you. They've got your back. Everything is okay. But I want to show you what this gas leak looks like, because look at that. It is going all the way up to the top of those power lines. And the big question is, what led up to all of this?
I thought it was smoke that was going up.
That's not smoke or water. That's liquefied natural gas erupting from an 8-inch broken gas line near the intersection of Palm Beach Boulevard and State Road 31.
2:30 this morning, Fort Myers Shores Fire responded for a possible gas leak.
Jake Lamb, Deputy Chief for Fort Myers Shores Fire and Rescue Protection District, said crews arrived to see this. Liquefied gas converting into gas as it spewed from the ground. Near the scene, hired contractors doing some drilling for the Florida Department of Transportation.
Come to find out, they were drilling down approximately 14 feet down and hit an 8-inch natural gas line that's owned by TECO.
Lamb wouldn't say who's responsible. Neither will TECO's gas. But whoever it was had a responsibility. Florida's one call law requires anyone who drills into the ground to call 811 before doing so, no less than 2 full business days before. So if necessary, crews can mark the gas line before drilling. I called 811 to see if crews were cleared to dig and was told a ticket was submitted for this area. But that doesn't answer whether someone came and marked the line or if the company got the go-ahead to drill. Now, a woman who frequents this road often told me she's concerned with the buildup of traffic with the road being closed from State Road 31 near Palm Beach Boulevard all the way to Bayshore Road. So let's take a look at the traffic right now. The roads are decently clear. Everything is flowing pretty smoothly. Now, we'll see if that continues. Again, Fort Myers Shores said it could take 3 days or more to close the leak and reopen roads. In Fort Myers, Emma Heaton, Wink News.
That's going to be a headache for a lot of drivers, so let's bring in Wink traffic anchor Belinda Post to help us navigate around this gas leak. So, Belinda, what are the alternate routes?
Right now, this is the closure, so your best alternate route, Bayshore right there. You already see how things are heating up in that westbound ride. And of course, 75, that works both north and south. Again, let's check on those drive times. This is for people who need to go southbound still on Babcock Ranch Road. That is 2 minutes, 19 minutes, 31 to 75. In the opposite direction, it's just 7 minutes, easy there. That's your up-to-the-minute traffic.
A construction crew ruptured a TECO gas line, causing a massive fire in 2010. This is what the area of Colonial Boulevard and State Road 82 looked like then. You can see huge flames that just burned on, and thousands of homes and businesses lost gas service for days. An investigation into this one found Posen Construction knew there was a gas line there, but did not locate the line before doing work. OSHA fined the company $70,000.